Researchers from University of California studied woodpecker's head to develop a shock-absorbing system for micromachinery. Micromachines are those of size from 100 nanometers to 100 micrometers, and this could be, for example, an accelerometer that triggers the airbag when a car stops suddenly. So researchers ran a tomography of woodpecker's head and further studied it with a mechanical vibration model. And as a result, they came up with a new design for shock-absorbing system that contained analogous to woodpecker's structures as a spongy bone and a hyoid, that is a tongue-related structure functioning as a belt. The new bio-inspired design shown to have just less than 1% of failure rate, comparing to the conventional designs, resin-based, having about 30% failure rate. Nature's designs should be taken with a pinch of salt. What I've learned from a neurobiology lecture from Stanford University is that evolution is not an inventor, it's just a tinkerer playing with what is already there and trying to come up with something better. It can be illustrated with an example of finger bending system. Evolutionary, there was no need for animals to bend just fingers separately, so it was enough to bend all the fingers all together, and there was one motor system that, receiving signals from brain, bent all the fingers at once. Later, for monkeys and human beings, the need appeared to bend fingers separately, and so there was a need for a new motor system. Instead of introducing completely new motor system, evolution has decided to introduce a second motor system on the top on the first one, archaic one. And so how it works now. When you want to bend just one finger, first the brain sends signal to the first archaic motor system to bend all the fingers, and then immediately to the second motor system to unbend the fingers you don't want to bend. So you see, it's not ideal sometimes. So don't copy blindly from the nature, but get inspired and invent naturally.